Hello and welcome back to Buying City Apiary. Today we're going to be doing some more baby steps towards winter here in Minnesota, and we're going to be putting in the silver insulated foil bubble wrap stuff on the top of the top bars. I've got them cut to length, now I got to cut them to width. So Josh is here to help me, Junior's here to create distractions. So let's get these cut and then get them on the beehives. Also, we need a staple gun.
Okay.
So I've already got them cut to length. Just need to now cut them to width. And it doesn't necessarily need to be exact, but it's got to be fairly close. There you go. All right, there's one cut. What do you do, Junior? Last year, Junior got at this stuff and ripped it apart. So I think he remembers that, and he's looking forward to doing it again. So we have to keep an eye on him. Right, let's go install these. What do you know, Junior? What do you know, Junior? Huh? All right, so Josh? Josh?
Dad?
The staple gun doesn't work all that great. Okay. Now here comes a test fit. I want to see if it will shut. The idea with hanging it over just a little bit is try to prevent some of the air try to block some of the air infiltration, yet we need to make sure that it's still ventilated. So that seemed like it worked pretty well. I should write these dimensions down somewhere. All right, we'll try closing it. Closed good. And we got some air gap going on. All right, so that's going to be it today for the insulation. We still have to get on the felt paper probably in the next 3 or 4 weeks before it gets too cold. Just taking little steps at a time to get ready for winter. In addition to the black tar paper, felt paper, we'll be putting some wood shavings on the ends of the hive to help, well, to act as, first of all, act as a moisture absorber, and also to take up some of the space that is in there so the bees don't have to heat that. Get away from there. Hey! Get away from there. So that'll be a couple projects that are coming up yet. Be sure to click the thumbs up on this video. Thumbs up are really cool. We really appreciate them. Also, if you can subscribe, that'd be super awesome. Subscriptions are way cool. They don't cost you anything, and they really mean a lot to me. Also, if you could share this video with friends, relatives, neighbors, neighbor's dog, that sort of thing, that'd be also super cool. So, again, thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.